Okay, so this is how to make the urban bird. So first you're going to want to start with your square piece of paper again. You want to fold it in half diagonally from corner to corner. Then you're going to want to fold it down from this corner to this corner. So you have another triangle. Like so. Like that. And you're going to want to fold this only one layer, not the both layers, and fold it over to the corner, and do the same on the other side. If I'm going too fast, just pause the video. So now you have your triangle like this. You're going to want to fold it up to the top and then back down. Same on the other side. Really up, back down. And then you're going to want to do an inside reverse fold, like so. Like that. Should look like this if you look at it from the top. So now you're going to want to fold this tip, the one that's together, not the one separated, and fold it down. Like so. And again, do inside reverse fold. Like so. After that, you're going to want to flip this wing up, become one of the wings of the bird, and you're going to want to fold this down over this line over there that's shown, like that. And you're then going to want to open it and squash it and fold it over to the other side. And there you have your urban bird finished. You can open the wings if you want. It could then become a plane or something, I guess. That's how you do that.